If you are facing an Instagram login error, here's how to fix it. First, double check your username and password to ensure you're entering the correct details. If you forgot your password, tap Forgot Password on the login screen and reset it using your email or phone number. Next, check your internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, restarting your router, or using a different network. If the issue persists, clear Instagram cache and data. Go to Settings, Apps, App Management, then find Instagram in the list. Tap on it. Tap on Storage, then tap Clear Cache and clear data if needed. But note this will log you out. Make sure your Instagram app is updated by going to the Google Play Store, searching for Instagram and updating it if available. If updating doesn't work, try uninstalling and reinstalling the app. Check if Instagram servers are down by visiting Down Detector or checking Twitter for any outage report. If Instagram is experiencing issues, you'll need to wait until they fix it. If you are getting a suspicious login attempt error, try logging from a device or location you have used before. If you are using a VPN, disable it, as Instagram may block logins from certain IP addresses. If your account is temporarily locked, go to Instagram's Help Center on a web browser and follow the steps to verify your identity. If nothing works, try logging in on a different device or browser. If you still can't access your account, contact Instagram support for further assistance. That's it. Hopefully, you'll be able to log it again. If this helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Instagram fixes.